This thing bites too. Great.
It's hollow, so he can't get it.
Oh boy, now he's trapped. Come on. We gotta wait, baby. There he is. Try one more time. I got you, dude. Don't bite me. I know, we gotta let him go. There you go. I can feel his heart. It's like doop 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 doop. Here, baby. You wanna see him? We got him, huh? Hi. Oh my God. You wanna say bye bye? Come on. You wanna say bye bye before I let him go? Say bye. Don't go back in the chimney again, okay?
Can I pet him?
Huh?
Can I pet him?
Come on, it's fine. Go over there, baby, so I can see you. Just pet him nicely like that, yeah. Okay. Yup. Okay, we gotta go now. Bye-bye. Could you open the sliding glass door, please? Oh my gosh, here we go. Dali, open that, babe. Here we go. Bye, birdie. Woo! All gone to the woods.
Bye-bye now. Bye, Lola. Lola.
Look what I got.